Hey guys, I'm Pauline and we're back with a very special home remodel. This project's a little different because we bought this home. So this home is 920 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath right now. We're gonna be demoing 2 interior walls and adding on 400 square feet to the home.
So far we just did discovery. We opened some of the walls. We figured out where is our load-bearing wall, and now when we know where they are, we're just gonna demo it and create an open floor plan. And it's gonna be 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, beautiful master suite, walk-in closet, and an open floor plan that you can hang out with family and friends in kitchen, living room, and dining room.
We are back in the city at our flip that is been transformed already. No, the window.
I know you don't like it, but that's the choice that me and Tom did. And we put white windows already, but we're going...
I wanted black windows, but okay.
Yeah, but you don't think budget, you think only what, you know.
These boys and girls, what you learn as I do my thing.
We're on site today and there's a lot going on.
I'm a whole scene, but I can't be found like...
This is the guest room.
Okay.
And
What's the plan? Where are you putting the electrical?
so 1 fixture light on the ceiling, so no recessed light, just ceiling mounted light.
Okay.
And then the way we did it was like the bed gonna be here, so hang out the cornice.
Okay. The bed cannot be here. The bed needs to be here. The bed needs to be here, the TV needs to be here. You don't walk into the room and you don't put a bed right here to the door.
I already put the TV out over there.
It's wrong. TV on this wall, bed is always on this wall. Right? Right.
Yeah?
Yes, bed is here. When you open the door, you see the bed. You never open the door and put a bed right here.
Annie, why you didn't tell me before, after? Now we finished the work.
Needs to be changed.
So you enter.
This is what happens when I don't come and check on the site.
This is what happened when she don't come on time to the site.
No.
Yes. So a quick update on our project in Mid-City. We finished with the exterior Latin, we finished hanging all the windows and doors, we finished hanging all the drywall, and now we start plastering and fix all these drywall corners and start exterior paint. We are super excited to finish the project in about a month and a half and put the house on the market. We're going to see you in the finish line.
Well, we got this done pretty quickly.
This is insane. It's only been 4 months of construction. First impression?
It has so much natural lighting. What's your first impression?
Definitely the layout.
Yeah, I think we definitely maximize the space.
Oh yeah, it feels so much bigger than just 1,300 square feet.
Yeah. My favorite part of the home is the kitchen.
Let's check bedroom number 1.
Yeah. I honestly love this bathroom also.
Oh yeah.
All right, bedroom number 1.
Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide.
I think the stager did a phenomenal job. It's perfect size for a nursery room.
Yeah, I agree.
Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
We vibing.
Bedroom number 2.
Wherever the wind go take us. If it's good, we make it contagious.
It's a sizable room with a walk-in closet, wouldn't you say?
Laying on black
Very
sand
nice.
beaches, thinking of what life teaches. So glad and fall from the deep end. Said we vibing under the city lights.
Here's the primary bedroom. It feels so spacious,
I love
doesn't
it.
it? I think, if you rearrange the furniture, you could definitely add, a couch possibly. Looks great, right?
Yeah.
Under the city lights, wherever the wind go take us. If it's good, we make it contagious. Said we vibing, laying on black sand beaches, thinking of what life teaches.
We purchased this property at $600,000. We listed it at $1,049,000, and within just 3 days, we've received 2 offers and are now closing escrow at $1,075,000. Just 1 week on the market. Well, I'm looking forward to our next project.
Mama told me, courageous heart, it's pumping hard, got cold feet. All I gotta do is jump now.